open sleeves shirt, and is it compulsory to cover our head for men? Sleeveless shirt, okay, the salah is allowed, طيب, but if it is like only a thin here, a thin thread here, one here and one here, okay, we should avoid that, because the Prophet ﷺ said that the man should cover one of his shoulders. So this is not a covering, because it is only like 1 centimeter width. Okay, but the salah is valid. The salah is valid according to the majority of scholars. The salah is valid, and this is allowed but not recommended. Is it compulsory to cover our head? No, this is not compulsory. This is not compulsory. You can pray without with uncovered head. But no doubt, yeah, for example, here in the Gulf, this is our tradition, our customs, to wear this is called ghutra. This is a kind of beauty and respect. So no doubt, it's better to pray with covering the head in Kuwait, not because there is hadith, but here in generally, for example, here in Kuwait, when we go to a wedding party, we are guests, and to visit someone, we wear this ghutra, because this is a kind of respect and beauty. So definitely, when you go to the masjid, we need the beauty. But no doubt, if you pray without covering your head, your salah is valid and it is not haram. It's